today I wanted to come in and show you how to take care of your extra grown out extensions. Due to the circumstances, we are having to extend our appointments a little bit longer, but I know that a concern with that is my hair gonna stay healthy? What is gonna happen with my extensions? So today I'm gonna come in and cover with you ladies how to take care of them so that you can keep them in hopefully until the time that I see you next. And I am going to come in and show you ladies also as well in a different video how to remove them if it really comes down to that. If they're super grown out and you're like, I don't think I'm going to be able to hold on until I see you. You can go ahead and remove them. It's a super easy process. I removed my bottom row a couple weeks ago because it was just sitting way too low. So it's nothing too crazy, but first, let's go ahead and walk you through how to take care of them. First things first, last night I went ahead and shampooed and I just let my hair air dry. Something that I'm gonna go ahead and recommend for a lot of you is that give your hair a break. I know it's tempting. I know we have a lot of time in our hands and you want to mess with something, but your hair's not something you want to mess with. So give your hair a little break if you can, especially deep condition. Deep condition as much as possible. If you're having an urge to like buy a color box or anything like that, deep condition. Put a deep conditioner in your hair, let it sit, wash it, and that'll kind of cure a little bit of the urge, and it'll be really, really nice and nourishing for your extensions. So doing that is really great because it'll keep and maintain the integrity of the hair really nice and healthy, so whenever you come in, they're not going to be damaged or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and take care of how you guys are gonna brush these guys out. So like I said, last night I wanted to keep my routine as simple as possible so that you guys could see how easy it can be. So last night all that I did was shampooed and conditioned with the soft line from NILA. Absolutely love that formula and absolutely love that combo, but you can use what I have recommended for you to use at home. So shampoo and condition, I've been honestly recommending everyone to do it once or twice a week the most, and if you're not really having too much of an active lifestyle, you can go a little bit longer. But the main thing with taking care of your babies when they're extra grown out, it's gonna be making sure that you're not pulling on them. So I'm gonna come in and section off right where my extensions are, and like I said, last night it shampooed and conditioned, and then I also did a deep conditioning mask. I just did the color one, but I'm gonna come in for the purpose of this video. I'm gonna come in and section this area off. I'm just going to grab my elastic to pin this out of my way. Right where your extensions are at. So you just want to be gentle in this area when you're brushing. So with brushing, like always, we're going to start at the ends. And then you'll want to move up and slowly move all the way up to the roots. As you guys can see, like my extensions are super grown out. Like, that's the wiggle that I have, so I don't pull. I'm literally just placing my fingers right at the base, and then you can come in and brush all the way at the top. And I recommend that you do this before you hop in the shower, and after you get out of the shower, go ahead and spray your Uncommon Magic Mist. Spray this throughout. You can come in and just do like spritz, 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 and then come in with your brush and same thing. Just be super gentle when you're brushing. You can really see on this side, scalp is still looking good. Growth is just a lot of that. So same thing, I'm gonna hold this here and you can come all the way to the top. Make sure that you're brushing all the way up so that there's no matting happening in this area of your extensions. But that's all that you want to do when you're brushing. You'll just be super, super gentle and make sure that there's no tangles all throughout. And then you can let this top down and brush again. So at this point, you can go ahead and just use a blow dryer and your paddle brush and smooth them out, curl them, do whatever you want to do with them. But I'll just show you for the purpose of the video. What you can do too when you're blow drying these guys is that, one, I recommend if you can let them air dry, let them air dry. That way you don't have to put heat on your hair during this time, and you can kind of use it as a downtime. Whenever you blow dry, you can go ahead and section this area and just very gently with your hands, you'll want to come in and blow dry. And I'm doing like a little finger comb up here so that you can make sure that you're like getting all the tangles out of your hair and nothing will get matted. That's really the one thing that we want to make sure with going longer, is that we don't have any mats in our hair, and that also we're not causing any irritation at the top. As long as we keep those two things minimized, you guys are not going to experience any damage with your extensions, and you'll be able to keep them in until I see you next. That's some really good treatments. Be gentle on it as much as possible, and if you cannot put heat on it, try not to do that. That way, by the time that you get back in the salon, your hair will be so healthy. It'll thank you for being good to it during this month. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, go ahead and send me an email, send me a message, and I'm happy to answer those. But I really, really hope that this video helped you a little bit through the process of having to extend your appointment, and it gave you a little peace of mind. So below, I'm going to go ahead and make a list of all the products that I recommend that you use during this time. As always, I cannot wait to see you ladies in the salon. I can't wait to take care of you, and we will see each other soon. Bye.